Hello friends, welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today I am going to prepare pineapple pulissery. Pineapple pulissery is one of the side dishes served with the rice on special occasions in Kerala, India. Here in this recipe, pineapple pieces are cooked with a hint of chili and turmeric till tender and made rich with a coconut paste and yogurt. Topped with a flavorful seasoning. We need the following ingredients: pineapple diced 2 cups, green chili slit 3 numbers, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder 1/2 teaspoon, water 2 cups, salt to taste, plain yogurt 2 cups, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, fenugreek seeds 1/2 teaspoon, small onions thinly cut 4 numbers, curry leaves 2 sprigs, whole red chilies 4 numbers, coconut oil 1.5 tablespoons. To grind: shredded coconut 1 cup, garlic 2 cloves, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, water as needed. Grind all the above mentioned ingredients to grind in a blender to a smooth coconut paste. In a pan, add pineapple, green chili, turmeric powder, red chili powder, water, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix well. Cook the pineapple for 10 minutes on medium flame until it is cooked well and soft. Now, add the grounded coconut paste and mix well. Allow it to boil on a low heat and cook for at least 5 minutes. Whip plain yogurt with a fork, then add to the pineapple and mix well. Stir constantly for about a minute and then turn off the flame. Remove the pineapple part from the hot stove and keep it aside. In a small frying pan, heat coconut oil, then add the mustard seeds. When it starts to splutter, add fenugreek seeds and close the pan with the lid. After it's all spluttered, add small onions, curry leaves, dried chilies, and fry till golden brown and turn off the flame. Now, pour this into the pineapple and mix well. Our delicious pineapple pulissery is ready now. We can transfer the pineapple pulissery into a serving dish. Our delicious pineapple pulissery is ready now. You all need to try this, okay? If you like this recipe, please don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.